Hello, I'm Stephanie Ryle with our LI-COR Science and Support Group. Today I will be showing you the proper installation technique for our RJ45 Ethernet cables, both on our smart chamber and our 7800 series total gas analyzers. To properly install the Ethernet cable on the smart chamber, push in until you hear both metal clasps click into place. For proper removal of the Ethernet cable, push in towards the instrument, depress both metal clips, and rock up and down until it slides free. When removing the Ethernet cable, it's important to never rock it side to side, as it will cause damage to the clips. For proper installation of the Ethernet cable on the TGA 7800 series gas analyzers, remove the dust cover and insert the Ethernet port until both metal clips click into place. To properly remove the Ethernet cable, press into the instrument, depress both metal clips, and if there's resistance, wiggle up and down to pull it free. Never move the cable side to side, as it can damage the clips on the instrument. We have additional technical support resources on our website, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us or one of our local distributors.